Yes, welcome back to another episode with your boy Mauritius. On today's one, we're going to be following the life of my cousin Yaz. He owns a fast food restaurant and he's taking me on about and seeing what we need to do. So obviously, first place we've come to is a place called Kalachan, and it's basically grabbing some air curtains for his restaurant because they need to filter the air out because Mauritius is starting to improve its health and safety, I guess, and you know, all that kind of stuff. You keep forgetting that's just a third world country at times, but you won't say it with driving a 21 plate Mercedes and that. Come on, getting some air curtains. Yeah. That's the first stop. After that, we're gonna hit back of the restaurant, show you Quickens real quick, and then on to Bagatelle. Peace. Yes, so just come and dropped off the stuff from the air containers to Quickens. So obviously it's under construction right now. They're just doing the front of the building. Before, they didn't have any of that kind of stuff there. That was all open space this side as well, so they're all ordering it all off. And yeah, basically they've got 3 these franchises across the Mauritius. As we come inside, you can see it's a nice open space. They're going to put some tables all the way here. Got a nice open area like that. New monitor screens. Obviously that's my cousin Zuff. He's always working non-stop all day every day. That's how he's doing. But yeah, obviously they've got a nice range of food here. Obviously your standard free. Obviously your burgers, you got paninis, you got wraps, you got tacos. Yeah, I mean, some good chicken to be fair. Definitely if you ever get a chance to come to Mauritius, you've got to stop here. Best burgers in town. Unless you're meeting my Uncle Sajid, then maybe chicken is as well. But you know how it is. It's taste some of this food. This looks good. So obviously going pure chicken. Spicy chicken strips. Some spicy mayo. So have a little look at this. Light, crispy, tender. Like that. That's some good chicken. Yeah, I'm in. See by it. It's cooked well, soft, tender, not too heavy on the grease. Yeah, it's as healthy as you can get for fast food, but you know what I'm saying. Chicken's good. I'll have to try it next time I come down. I'll try the burger and stuff like that, and yeah, off to a winner though. Yes, so obviously onto the barbecue that we're having. We brought that meat. Look at this, with some of that nice looking
the dragon of Cactus, French wine.
I don't know about that, but this beef. Look at that. Let's have a look. Obviously with our little mayonnaise, chili sauce. Add that in. Ça, some of this.
Je suis hypocrite. Je reviendrai de Belgique. On met une vie de porc. Respire par le bing bing. Par les lingots. Hein? Au taraweh.
That is too good. That is too good. Sardinia restaurant. Eat your heart out.